Hello everyone, my name is Sorte and I am going to present my Unity 3D game project called Cube Runner. Cube Runner is a simple yet engaging endless runner game developed using Unity game engine and C# scripting. In this project, I worked on different aspects of game development from coding player movement to designing obstacles, handling collision and adding UI elements. Now before we go into the details, let me show you a short demo of how the game is played. Now I press on a start button. Uh, so the game is started. In Cube Runner, the player controls a cube that continuously moves forward. The player can move the cube left or right using the arrow keys to avoid randomly spawn obstacles on the track. As the game progresses, the speed of frequency of obstacle increases, making the game more challenging. The score increases with time, and the main goal is to survive as long as possible without hitting any obstacles. If the cube collides with an obstacle, the game ends and the player can restart to try again. The main objective of Cube Runner is to test the player's reflexes, focuses and timing. The player must avoid obstacles for as long as possible and aim for a higher score each time to play. Game genre. Cube Runner falls under the arcade and endless runner genres. These genres are known for their simple control, fast-paced gameplay, and increasing difficulty. The MDA framework mechanics, dynamics, and aesthetic help structure game design effectively. Player movement. The cube moves forward automatically and can move left or right. Obstacle generation. Obstacles appear randomly using a pref-spawning script. Collision detection. When the player hits an obstacle, the game ends. Scoring system. The score increases with survival time. Restart feature. The player can restart instantly after losing. Aesthetics. The aesthetics focuses on the player emotion experience. For Cube Runner, I used a clean 3D design with simple cube and smooth lighting, subtle background colors and minimum distraction, smooth camera follow movement, basic sound effect for collision and scoring. So now I discuss about the task description. Setting up the environment, created a new 3D Unity project, added ground plan and skybox for the background. Player design, designed the player game and wrote a C# script. Obstacle system, created obstacles preppers and added a spawner script. Collision and game over logic, implemented collision detection using colliders and triggered. So what I learned, writing and connecting C# scripts with Unity objects, implementing player movement physics and collision system, using prefabs for efficient object management, designing UI elements and score and restart feature. So now I discuss about the conclusion. To conclude, developing Cube Runner was a great learning experience that improved my Unity skills, C# coding knowledge and game design understanding. By applying the MDA framework, I was able to create a complete gameplay experience that is fun, challenging and rewriting. Thank you for watching my presentation on Cube Runner.